Hello YouTube friends and fans. Here's the happy holiday weekend to you. Stick around, we'll see what we get into. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Can't leave that sit too long. It'll get warm in the sun. I'm assuming it's some RV stuff. We'll do a little opening to start. Don't know where this video is going to head, but hope you're had a great weekend. Okay, that's the wife's bath rug for the RV. We used it last weekend, and she's like, I'd rather have a rug instead of a towel on the floor. I was like, sure, no problem. So that's a rug. We'll go inside and install that in a moment. That tape's a little better than normal. There we go. Oh yes, that's what I've been waiting on. We've got a shower caddy. It's actually a sponge holder. So, hoping that'll do a better job of holding up shampoo and all that without falling sideways when someone walks in and out of the RV. We'll show you that install. And then we've got a little shower head piece. It's the holder. We're going to move the shower head 90 degrees, put it on a different wall. So I guess that's what we're going to do today. Let's go inside. So inside we go to the bathroom. Just where you wanted to go with an RVer, right? I don't blame you. Got the pretty quilt on the bed. I'll have to get in here and turn some lights on for you. Alright, so we'll open the door up here and I'll show you what we got going on inside the shower. So this caddy, if you see, so that's your original unit, and as you can tell, see, it just doesn't want to cooperate real well. You bumped it with your shoulder. So my thought was to replace that this guy. Now it's a little tall, so let's see if we can. Yeah, it's almost too tall. But it is what I wanted. Needs a longer arm on it. So anyhow, that's that guy right there. But it is definitely too tall. So, alright, on to the next item. We're going to take that shower head and we're going to move it over here, because when it shoots now, it hits the bottom of the door here and puts water out on the floor. So that'll be here at the end. Let's put the rug in and see what we get. She did measure, so should fit. There we go, like it was made for it. Leave a comment what you think. Wish we could have found one to fit this area better, but that's about as good as it gets. Alright, let's on to the last item here. Back into the shower. Alright, so let's see about putting a couple holes in this. Change me out. We got the screws. Well, that ain't gonna fly. Put it in there. I'll have to catch it that way. Wouldn't keep it from falling out. Yeah, we can do it. Ta-da! Well, it shouldn't blow at the door anymore. The door's where the camera's at, right? Cool. Alrighty, thanks for watching, friends. Catch you on the next video. Hit the subscribe, like, all that jazz. Bell if you want more notifications. Thanks for watching.